Before doing that, I'll have to do a small refactor. I'll just tell you. See, right now, this is fine, right? I mean, we have the wrapper, which has this entry. The save is, you know, inside the same component. I can still live with the same, the save being in part of this component, although we can, you know, extract that. But now, this particular behavior, I would definitely like to have in a separate component. So what I'll do is, in here I have playlist wrapper, and I'll have one more component which I'll name it list item. Okay, quickly import that thing here. So let view know that I'm gonna do this. And where do we need that? We will need it here, right? So playlist item, and I'll have item equals item. So this is the prop, and come over here, template script, and say props item. Okay. um, Methods. So on click, handle save, rather save to playlist. Okay. um, so what are we doing? We have this entry. Let's see whether everything is working properly or not, first of all. So compilation doesn't have a problem. I come here and we can see this, so which means everything is working fine. And now get back to our code. In here, let post data equals an empty object where the video id is going to be this, route params dot id, playlist id will be this item dot id. Okay. And then I haven't created the route. Axios dot post api slash, what do we call it, playlist entry. Okay. I'll send the post data, then response. What do I want to do here? I don't want to do anything right now, so I'll just do console dot info response. Okay. So yeah, api dot php route post, what have we named it? Playlist entry, playlist entry controller at the red store, and I think that's about it. All right, keeping my fingers crossed. It's a long code, should work. Whoa, what happened? Attribute post. Okay. Data is getting loaded. I hit save and it fails. All right, beautiful. So let's see in the log, what do we have? 500 is not configured. Okay, I think that was the reason it was not working. Playlist entries. So I need to create a playlist again. Test. Oh, problem again, is it? Come over here, hit enter. Playlist database, playlists not configured. Why is it looking for database? I think it's the validation where I'm making a mistake. Um, so this is required exists playlist. I think it's comma. It's not a full stop, it's a comma. I think that was the mistake. Let me see. Yep, that's about it. I think I should see a playlist called test, and a playlist has a video which is this. Now if I go back to my home page, okay, let's say I'm looking for Arjit Singh. I come over here. Okay, I say no, I want to create a playlist. Hindi songs 2018. I have this. I save. I need a feedback, but we'll do that. Then I come over here. Arijit Singh again. And let's say this one here. Add. So now we have a playlist which is Hindi songs 2018. Playlist 2 has two videos, and these are the two videos which we have. So yeah, that's about it. That's how we have a working playlist component. Which, oh, now I understand what is the problem. So I think I need to do something like from bottom, and because it keeps growing, right? And so my thing is going for a toss, so I'll fix that in my CSS. It should start from here. Let me see how that can be done. But yeah, that's that's all about our component on creating playlist. There are small tweaks which I will add. If I feel it requires a video, I'll do it. Otherwise I'll just simply change the code. You can find them in the description of each video. But now that we have the playlist, the next thing is to make the video player autoplay when a user is playing a playlist. So I'll expect that when let's say I have a list of playlist, and if I go here, if I click on any of that, I'll land up to on the first video, and after that it should continue to play the next if I have autoplay on. So yeah, that's the future plan. um, that's about it for this video. If you like the video, do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.